How to create a collection on Shopify. In your Shopify admin page, click on Products on the left side. Then click Collection. You will see this screen and all you have to do is click on Home page. Scroll down and you will see the list of all your products. You can search for specific products or just click Browse. Here, you can tick all the box of the products that you would want to put in your collection and just click Done. After that, you can click Save on the lower right corner of your screen or view your collection. Here, you can see that you successfully made your collection on Shopify. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.